Hi everyone, welcome back. In this lecture, let us discuss max aggregate function. Well, the max function in SQL is aggregate function used to return the largest value from a specified column. It is commonly used in a queries to find the highest value in a numeric, date or string data. How the max function works? Well, the max function scans all the rows of a specified column and returns the largest value. For numeric columns, it returns the highest number. For string columns, it returns the largest value alphabetically last. For date columns, it returns the largest date. Okay, so this is how the max function works with respect to different types like numeric, string, date. Next, let us go ahead and let's understand more about max function with examples. So let us head over to the MySQL Workbench over here. And here we have written SQL statements in previous lecture. So let us take a backup of these SQL statements. And next, let us remove all these SQL statements and just type select star from employees to view the employees table data. So here we have employees table along with 6 records. Next, we are good to use max function, right? So here just type select followed by the max aggregate function, and here we are going to find the largest value for a salary column. So just for salary column name to the max function, and then followed by let's give alias using as keyword, and let us give alias name as highest underscore salary, and then from employees. Okay, next let us run this SQL statement, and here you can see the highest salary. Well, this max function scans the salary column and finds the largest value, which is 25,000. So if I execute this select star from employees, and if you take a look at the salary column values over here, so this max function basically scans the salary column values and it finds the largest value, which is 25,000. So this is how the max function works. Next, let us see how to find the maximum salary for a specific department. So now we have seen how to get the highest salary for all the employees. Next, let us see how to find the highest salary for a specific department. Let us say IT department. Then how we can use the max function. So just copy this select statement and paste it over here. So in order to achieve this, we have to add the where clause. So here just add a where clause and add the condition, that is department equal to IT. Okay, next let us execute this statement, and here you can see 25,000. So IT department has a highest salary 25,000. For example, if we execute select star from employees, and if you take a look at the salary column values, so IT department has a salary 25, 20 and 20. So among these three, 25 is the highest. So that is what we got the output. Okay, next if you want to calculate the highest salary for HR department, you can just specify HR over here. Next, run the select statement and you can see the highest salary for this HR department. Okay, next let us see how to use max function to calculate the highest salary for each department. So here we have written a SQL statement to calculate the highest salary for a specific department, but now what we want is we want to find the highest salary for each department, not a specific department. Then what we can do is we can use max function along with group by clause. For example, here just copy this statement and paste it over here, and instead of where clause just call group by clause, and then followed by the column from which we are going to group the data, that is department, and then add this department column in a select clause as well. Perfect. Next let us run the SQL statement, and here you can see the output. IT department has a highest salary, HR department has a highest salary, sales department has a highest salary. So this is how we use max function along with the group by clause to find the highest value for each group. In our example, we have used max function along with group by clause to find the highest salary for each department. Okay, great.